Hi everyone, I'm Karthik, Principal Architect, NSK Design Studio. The shortlist project is the Deya Residency, owned by Mr. Jaykumar. When Mr. Jaykumar came to me, he was having no idea, but he was looking for heritage designs, but his families were looking for contemporary designs. By taking all their inputs, we went to site, visited sites to see the technicalities and ambience aspects. After thorough inspection, technical and ambience aspects are noted. The challenge was to integrate contemporary along with heritage designs. Plot is located next to famous Karanji Lake, also surrounded by dense trees which were more than 6 to 8 meters height. Soil condition was very poor and groundwater table issue was there as lake is nearby. We decided to go for mezzanine basement. Soil is poor for construction but rich in fertile. So we decided to use excavated soil for landscape instead of dumping. Plot size is 2400 square feet, measures 40 feet and 60 feet corner located, and it is a northeast corner property. Keeping Vastu in mind, vehicle entry for basement is given from east side. Basement consists of 3 car parking, lift and family entertainment areas. And the client is prominent businessman from Rajasthan community. Lot of his community people visits him, and hence Rajasthan ethnical gate is given here with a nice arch for the visitors and the guests. Immediately after the entry, towards right we created guest lounge area, and to the left staircase leads to the main door. As we enter through main door, we get a spacious, lavish living hall. As said earlier, the area is surrounded by dense tree. We get very less light. So we kept bare minimum walls to keep wide open by using sculptures and planter box or partitions instead of partition walls for dining, kitchen and lobby. This helps to keep the living area brighter. A beautiful semicircular staircase adopted to give a connectivity to further floors. Since staircase is surrounded with dry garden and exposed to the living hall, I wanted to showcase staircase as standalone sculpture to avoid further ornamentation. In second floor, we have given a cutout for better connectivity and light flow. It comprises of 3 bedrooms. The orientation of all the balconies are done in such a way that it gives serene lake view. And master bedroom comes with a private garden to enjoy sunrise and lake view. Interiors is designed to give both comfort and heritage lavishness of contemporary. Taking the taste of grandparents into consideration, the room nearby balconies are finished with retro theme by providing heritage sphinx, arc themed headboard and using velvet cotton based sheer curtains and antique lamps, whereas the youngsters' bedroom and informal living hall with contemporary design. To keep the pleasant ambience for all the occupants, monotone finish done in common areas. Terrace gardening is nicely done with locally available artifacts, and center part of the garden is elevated by deck slab. To enjoy the adorable view of mighty Chamundi Hill.